Today we'll learn about shapes. There are 4 basic shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. These are plane shapes. First, we learn about square. Look at this picture. How many sides does it have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many corners are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Now check the sides. Are all the sides the same length? Yes. A square has 4 equal sides. Next one is rectangle. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many corners are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means a rectangle has 4 corners and 4 sides. Look at this picture. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Its opposite sides are the same length, or we can say its opposite sides are equal. Next one is triangle. Look at this picture. Let's count how many sides there are. 1, 2, 3. How many corners are here? 1, 2, 3. So, a triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Next one is circle. Look at this picture. Do you see any sides or any corners? No. It is a curved shape, so it has no corners and no sides. That means it is a round-shaped figure. It has no corners. If you want more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.